Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the file with the exact canvas size and resolution you need, because that decision fixes later detail and export. Once done, pick RGB or CMYK depending on output and create layered structure right away. Sketch, lines, colors. Make sure to name layers clearly and set layer types, raster, vector, so editing stays flexible. Next, import reference or use the 1/2 opacity sketch to block shapes quickly. This makes subsequent inking and coloring faster and more accurate. Now refine shapes and lock your design with confident lines. Use vector line layers and increase stabilization if your hand shakes. Once lines are set, select areas with the lasso or object tools and fill flats on dedicated color layers. Lock alpha to avoid painting outside boundaries. After flats, add shadows using multiply layers and pick believable light direction, then place highlights on a separate layer with low opacity. Keep organized folders for character, background, and effects so changes remain non-destructive. Finish by cleaning up edges, adjusting levels, and adding any post effects like bloom or texture. Export a flattened copy for delivery, but save the clip master with all layers intact. That keeps future edits painless. Make sure your export color profile and resolution match the target medium, and name files clearly. If something goes wrong, missing brushes or odd colors, reset the workspace, reload brush libraries, and check the autosave folder for recent backups. One quick restore often saves hours of redo work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.